Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Micah, CEO of AAPLTrader.com. Welcome to Apple Action for Wednesday, October 3rd, 2012.
And my name is Eric. I do technical analysis for AAPLTrader.com.
And of course, this is episode 5. Episode 5 of Apple Action. And so far enjoying it. What do you think, Eric?
I think it's great. I'm liking the new t-shirts. They definitely put a little more color into the videos. Hope you like them as well.
Very cool. And of course, big news, Apple broke the 660 yesterday, came all the way down to 650 and some change, and then bounced. Pretty big bounce. Biggest question, I think, or the big elephant in the room for all of us is, was yesterday a pivot point? Are we going to see Apple start to reverse back up to the upside? Or was it a little shake and bake, squeezing out all those shorts, and we're going to see further declining in Apple? What do you think so far, Eric?
From a swing trader bias, I believe Apple still can come down a little more. However, I'm still waiting for that indication to show us that if we're going to see some more upside potential, and I believe it's going to start with looking at our indicators, such as what we use to get more of a trigger to get us into a trade if it's going to go long.
Moving average crossing over, something like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very cool. And we have our live stream coming up today, our Mastermind live stream group, happening today at 11:30 Eastern Time. Of course, this morning, and 8:30 for all you West Coasters. We're going to talk about what we're looking at as far as in terms of a possible pivot happening for Apple and what to look for in the broad market and some of the indicators and triggers that we use, to trade off of. We know that Apple's been very bullish over the last few years, and this pullback is really an opportunity, I think, to get long the stock because I think most people have a higher price target on the stock. So just have to be really careful not to try and catch a falling knife here because Apple can move down so fast and it can happen like that. So we really have to be on top of our game here.
Yes, one of our members had posted up yesterday as well, Pascal. I'm sure you all know who Pascal is, but he had posted up that it's not the best thing is to fight the trend. Right. So buy the pullback with Apple. It's just we have to find that right entry point when we need to get into a long position. And what we're looking for is that indication, and we're going to actually talk about that with the live stream today and the things that we look for and what we need to keep an eye on for resistance and support as well.
Very cool. And of course, Apple has confirmed the earnings announcement. It's happening on the 25th, which is a little bit different than earnings whisper, toss, thinkorswim gives you. Sometimes their dates can be a little bit off, but if you go to Apple, their investor page, as Simon, thank you for that information, pointed out to us, Apple has confirmed earnings for the 25th of October, so it is going to happen during the November expiration. So we're probably going to see an influx of implied volatility, volume flowing into November, flowing out of October options. So something to keep an eye on.
And we would love to hear your thoughts on what do you think the earnings are going to be for this quarter.
Outcome. Yeah, and if you guys have some possible trade strategies, this is a community. We like to share strategies and everything like that. So post up your thoughts below this video. And on behalf of the entire Apple Trader team, we wish you good trading and a good day.